Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about Booleans in Python. So what is a Boolean? A Boolean in Python is a data type that represents two possible values, true or false. So if we do type on true, for example, we see that it's a Boolean. Same with false. And notice that true starts with a capital T and false starts with a capital F. So I have four examples here. So we can check whether a connection is success, or in other words, we can connect into a device in this example. Okay, so let me just copy and paste this line of codes. And then here, this is how you connect to the device. And isAlive is a method provided by NETMIKO. And this is a Boolean expression because there's only two possible values. So either true or false. And if we print the is connected variable, its possible values, like I said, is either true or false. So it's true, so meaning connection is active or is alive. So in other words, we are able to connect to this device. Okay, so example number two is to validate command output. So meaning we're just checking if the string Cisco iOS is in this variable output. And we see that it's true. And the third example is to check whether we are in the enable mode. And to do that, we can use this Boolean expression. So if connection, and that check enable mode is a method provided by NetMiko, and we can either print true, or if not true, we can print false. And if I enter this, we see that this device is not in enable mode. So meaning we are not in the enable mode, so we cannot issue configuration commands. Okay, and last but not least is check if hostname is in the configuration. So here we are just sending an output. We are just sending a command called show running config. And if we check if hostname is in the variable output, we actually don't see it because if you print output, it says invalid input detected at. So this is a error from the iOS. Meaning that our command that we issued was not properly recognized by the device. Okay, and actually, just to demonstrate this, let me revise the command. Let's make this show IP interface brief instead of that show running config. See if interface is in the output. Yeah, interface is in the output. Because if we print output, we see that the word interface or the string interface is in the output. Okay, so that's how you can use Booleans in Python, and this is how we can use it with some conditional statements. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.